Good morning, everyone. I hope that you all are well at your home. As we know that this is tough time for all over the world, so we can start studies through online. In past few days, you study various subjects. Now, today, our interesting topic from social science, lesson number 6, that is lithosphere and landforms from your textbook. From this chapter, our first topic is Earth and its internal structure. For Earth, the origin of the Earth dates back to 400 billion years, and since then many changes have taken place. About 29% of the Earth is surrounded by lithosphere while 71% by hydrosphere. And both are surrounded by the cover of air, means atmosphere. Thus, the main sphere of the Earth means the main part of the Earth are lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. The lithosphere is an important part of the Earth because it is the upper crust of the Earth on which we live. The crust of the Earth on which we live is not uniform everywhere, means it is not same because there are big mountain ranges, mighty rivers and valleys, and in some places extensive plains and plateaus. The outer crust of the Earth where people live is called lithosphere. Changes continue to take place on the surface of the Earth because there are sudden changes which can change the crust of the Earth, means upper layer. There are two types of changes which are seen on the surface. First one is sudden changes and the second one is slow changes. Both the above changes are caused by the activities of internal and external forces. Internal forces means activities done internal side, and external forces means activities done outer side. Volcanic eruptions and earthquake that bring about sudden changes are internal forces, while external forces consist of natural forces such as running water, wind, moving ice, sea waves. They all change the surface slowly. Now this is the basic knowledge of the Earth, but now we move to structure of Earth, means internal structure of the Earth. The internal structure of the Earth has always been a subject of mystery. The layer below the Earth is still beyond our understanding, as many of the scientists compare Earth's internal structure to onion because the planet is made of many layers of rocks of different densities. The scientists have made several efforts to explore the structure of Earth by digging mines, volcanoes, and earthquake waves. The scientists and geologists have put their logic, imaginations, and views about the structure of Earth. The scientists have divided the structure of Earth into three parts. First one is crust of Earth, outer layer, which is also known as lithosphere. Second one is mantle, and third one is knife or core, means innermost layer of the Earth. From the description, first the exterior part or outer layer of the Earth is called lithosphere. The living things live on this part. The continents and oceans are the part of lithosphere. This sphere is formed by light porous rocks. Its width is approximately 10 to 70 km. Continents are formed by them. Its upper layer is also called soil. There is a prominence of silica and aluminum mostly in these parts. Its average density is 2.7 gram per cubic centimeter. The layer below the soil is called sigma. It mainly contains silicon and magnesium metals. Now this is the upper layer. The next layer is below the outer layer of the Earth lies mantle. Its depth is between 70 to 2900 kilometers. It has prominent minerals like olivine, pyroxene. Its approximate density is 2.9 to 4.7. The innermost core of the Earth is called knife. It is also called metallic core. It is composed of ferrium and nickel. It has highest weight and density. Its part extends from depth of 2900 kilometers to 6400 kilometers. The temperature inside the Earth increases with depth. As the temperature increases. The temperature increases at the rate of 1 degree Celsius for every 32 meters depth. This is the basic internal structure of the earth and internal shape of earth is. You can easily understand this internal structure with the help of shown picture. In this picture, you can see various layers of earth, that is crust, mantle and knife, innermost core. Now today's homework is that draw this diagram in your notebook. Thank you.